So trekking poles. So you're thinking about going into backpacking, and you think, do I need trekking poles? I see everybody else, all other backpackers using trekking poles. Why do I need them? Do I need them? No, you don't need them. Do they help? Yes, they help. So to see the proper way to use trekking poles, stay tuned. The trekking poles. They do help a lot for hiking. New to backpacking and you're just going to be hiking on very flat, easy going terrain, don't really need them if you don't want. But if you're going to be backpacking over some very rugged, hilly terrain, you may want to invest in a pair. Like when you're just hiking on a regular flat, even space, you can, they do help go a little bit faster. For going uphill, you can adjust them, the length. So when you're going uphill, you're going to want to shorten them down. Normally, you're going to want to have your trekking pole going on a flat surface, have it so your arm is not quite parallel with the ground, but slightly down. And then going uphill, you can shorten it. And it makes it easier to go over the steep, rugged climbs. And same as going downhill, quite the opposite. You can extend them longer and it makes it easier to go downhill. Proper way to use a trekking pole with the straps. A lot of people tend to go put the loop through here like that and around like that. Now that's the way, you don't want to do it that way, because if you fall, your hand can get all twisted up in there and you can break your wrist. The best way to do it is just to kind of loop it through there and around like that. So if you fall, the trekking pole just falls right out of your hand. Now what kind of trekking pole should you look into getting? Well, you want something lightweight. These are carbon fiber trekking poles. They're nice and lightweight, but you got to be careful with the carbon fiber ones because they can break easy. I've had these for a year and a half now. Still haven't broken them yet. But if you want something a little stronger, go with aluminum. A little bit heavier, but not much. These are only a couple ounces each. I can't remember the weight. I never remember the weight of anything. These work great. Like I said, it's great for getting over rugged terrain, and it really helps for balance on those tricky areas. And then also you can use them for, like if you encounter an aggressive bear, you can use it. You can use them as a weapon. Also, you can use it. Like last year, if you remember, I did that video where I twisted my ankle, and around camp, I've shortened it really short, and I was able to use it, one trekking pole, as a cane to help get around my campsite. You're also going to want to get ones or have a comfortable grip on them. Like I said, when you use it, you get through the strap, and you can hold it. Don't get too firm of a grip. Don't want to have a death grip on them, and you can put all your weight into the strap and it'll really help push along the way. You're also definitely going to want one where you can adjust, like I said, so you can adjust to go up the hills, down hills, and to your size, so depending on how tall you are. So you can get ones that have these locking mechanism. There's lock it in place, slide it up and down. Some you can get some that fold. They just fold back and forth. They got like a bungee cord inside and kind of like tent poles. Or you get the screw ones. You just twist it and then adjust it. But yeah, I never used to use trekking poles. I never felt the need to use them. But then I started using them and I'm glad I did. They just help a lot. One hike I used to always do, used to take me 3.5 hours, I think. Now it takes me 2.5 hours. So it's an hour faster. So with the trekking poles. But anyways, yeah, so like I said, if you're thinking about getting them, go ahead, use them. All right, so thanks for tuning in, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.